Here's how to check if your soundbar is set up or connected to Dolby Atmos or not. The first thing that you're going to do is go to the all settings of your television, and afterwards, on the settings, click on the display and sound options. After clicking on the display and sound options, you will be able to see there the picture adjustments, screen, sound adjustments, and audio input. Now go ahead and click on the audio output options. And then as you can see, there are two options under the speakers, which is TV speakers and audio system. Usually, Dolby Atmos is there if it's supported or set up to your television. But if you can see it, it means it is not. Now you can go ahead and set up the audio output depending on what you want, and you can go ahead and set it to pass through mode, PCM, or just auto.